Came here for the horsepower. Well, my name is Devin Duckworth. I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina. I grew up racing SCCA, SVRA with my grandfather. He had an old school British MG midget that he raced. So I've always been around performance and race cars and fast cars, and found Hennessey's tuner school and felt like I needed to come here. After leaving tuner school, I have pretty much a bucket now full of knowledge that I can go take and use wherever I need to and wherever it needs to fit. And when people ask me kind of where I started, I'll think back to Alex's teachings and me sitting in that classroom learning how to tune. Your experience you're going to have here is awesome. The knowledge you're going to take away from it's awesome. The friendships you're going to make is awesome. Your whole experience here will be amazing. And if you have any sort of passion in the automotive field or cars in general, and you want to learn and take a step further in that field, this is the place you need to be at.